Hey, hope everything's going well with you and your families and all your friends. Just for instance, in this case, this has been painted very nicely, I might add, but this trim and everything's got to come off so we can get through here. One of the first things I learned right away is to always take a razor knife and cut where the edge of that trim is. So, because otherwise you're going to end up with a bunch of torn pieces like this right here. See, the trim was right here and it wasn't cut right there, and that paint caught and peeled over, or the caulking or whatever peeled that paint back. So try to use your razor knife to cut and you won't have as much of an issue. Always something to learn, guys, always something to learn. And I want to help you out because I ain't gonna live forever. You just be able to see my ghost on YouTube or the internet. So keep on keeping on.